How to find recently viewed items on Yelp. To view your recently viewed items on Yelp, you may follow up the steps. So, what you may do is you may just open up the Yelp application in your browser. And once you open it up, log in into your account. Now, what you may do is you may access your browsing history. For that, once you are logged in into Yelp, go to the menu at the top, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be finding different options within. You can look out for this option called About Me, the very first option, tap on it. And when you tap on it, here it will show you your browsing history, which is right here, which is your reviews, your collections, etc. So if you've given any kind of reviews, it will show you all the reviews, history, and the items that you've viewed recently. You can just go ahead and look out for this from this section, or you can use the data tool. So for that, you can head over and go over to your Yelp and look out for your profile again. And from here, you can look out for your options. You may just go ahead and tap on your profile and you can look out for this option of settings, account settings, and open it up. And within there also you may drop down this account settings option and you may look out for privacy settings, tap on it. And if there is any kind of data option, download a copy of your data, we have that option available. You can just go ahead and tap on it. You may need to re-enter your password for verification, and that tool will provide you a comprehensive snapshot of your Yelp activity, including your browsing history. So this is a method you can apply if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.